So I'm starting off with my moisturizer. This gives your makeup something to hold on to, and I'm just going to apply it all over my face. So now that my skin is prepped, I'm going to use some concealer and just cover up the spots. Next, I'm going to brighten up my under eyes with this concealer. And I'm just going to blend it with my finger. I'm just going to blend it out a little more with this brush. So for my eyeshadow, first I'm using the shade called Musk from this palette. I'm just applying it in my crease. Then I'm going to take this brown shade and apply it in the outer corners of my eyes. And just blend it in my crease. I'm going to take this shimmery shade right here and I'm just going to apply in the center of the lid. I'm just going to blend it a bit with my finger. Now I'm going to set my concealer with a compact. Then I'm going to take the same eyebrow pencil I used on my eyebrows and just going to put it under my eyes. Next, I'm going to apply some bronzer. So that's it for this video. Please subscribe and give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you next time. Bye.